Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 21st, 2025, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from Matthews International. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Matthews International, a global provider of memorialization products and industrial technologies, has just released their Q4 2025 earnings report. Let's break down the key highlights and what they mean for investors.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the earnings per share. Matthews International reported an adjusted EPS of 22 cents for this quarter. How does this compare to expectations?
Analysts were forecasting an EPS of 22 cents, so Matthews met expectations this quarter. Additionally, the company announced its 32nd consecutive dividend increase, raising the quarterly dividend to 25.5 per share. This reflects their strong cash flow, particularly from their Memorialization segment.
That's impressive. What does this consistent dividend increase indicate about the company's financial health?
It suggests that Matthews International is confident in its long-term growth strategies and cash generation capabilities. The dividend increase is supported by strong cash flow and the anticipated proceeds from the pending sale of their warehouse automation business.
Strategic initiatives and future outlook. John, can you elaborate on Matthews International's strategic initiatives and future outlook?
Certainly, Matthews is focusing on operational efficiency and strategic expansion through innovation. They operate through two core segments: industrial technologies and memorialization. The pending sale of their warehouse automation business is expected to further strengthen their cash position, allowing them to invest in these core areas.
How do these initiatives align with their long-term goals?
These initiatives are aligned with their goal of driving long-term growth. By focusing on their core segments and leveraging their strengths in innovation, Matthews aims to enhance their market position and deliver sustainable value to shareholders.
Risks and challenges. What are some of the risks and challenges Matthews International faces?
Like many companies, Matthews faces risks from economic conditions, currency exchange rates, and supply chain disruptions. Competitive pressures and changes in product demand or pricing also pose challenges. They have included forward-looking statements in their report, highlighting these risks under the safe harbor provisions.
How might these factors impact their future performance?
These factors could affect their ability to achieve anticipated benefits from strategic transactions and may impact their financial results. However, Matthews is actively managing these risks through strategic planning and operational adjustments.
Key takeaways. In summary, Matthews International has delivered a solid performance this quarter, meeting EPS expectations and continuing their impressive streak of dividend increases. Their strategic focus on core segments and innovation positions them well for future growth, despite facing some economic and competitive challenges.
Absolutely. Investors should keep an eye on their strategic initiatives and how they navigate the current economic landscape. Matthews' commitment to shareholder value through consistent dividends is a positive sign.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Matthews International's performance in the comments below.